Namaste. This lecture is not for the students, but this time it is for the parents. So it's not a finance class. It's just that dealing with so many students throughout, and the number of parents as well. There is a kind of a gap, I believe, in terms of communication or in terms of understanding. I'm just trying to fill in that for you. So I'm no expert. I'm no psychologist or something. I'm not a parent, but with dealing with the students all the time, talking to them, understanding them, and I'm actually very attached to them. So they talk to me. They do talk to me. Whether they are live students or even video students, who are studying at home, and that's the best part of this profession. So they do come up to me. They have their struggles, they have their issues, and at times probably the parents are not understanding the kids, and the kids are not understanding the parents. So I know it sounds weird when I've started calling them kids now, but yeah, what helps is that the number of parents I talk to, the number of students I talk to, the way I understand them, because being their age, and having been through this fairly recently. So for the parents, I'll just very quickly introduce myself. My name is Aswini Bajaj. I graduated from St. Xavier's College, Kolkata in 2012. I completed CA, CS, CFA, FRM, CAIA, CIPM, CCRA, CIRA, CIIB, and AIM. I'm a guest lecturer at colleges, including the IIMs and IITs. I do corporate training for companies, and I have my consulting vertical where we deal with research houses, startups, valuations, decks, etc. So I have a corporate desk, a consulting company basically. And yeah, I love to be a speaker at multiple colleges and platforms and all, and I love to address the audience, talk to students, talk to parents, talk to industry experts, and share whatever I do. And I'm an avid reader. So that's more or less about me. But the reason why we're doing this session is I'm not an expert in this field. All I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to bridge the gap between the communication gap, maybe if you could call it so, with respect to the kids, that is the teenagers, and the ones just entering the college or pursuing professional courses, and with the parents, and it goes for students of younger age as well. So I get a lot of questions from my sisters all the time, and with the parents all the time, and more importantly, the feedback, the understanding that I'm getting probably with the students now. So I understand them, and I can understand them very well, because I have also been through the same issues and everything, fairly recently. So I just wanted to address that, and it is very important to be able to uh, uh, address, I mean, manage the kids today. And thank God I don't have to do that on a 24/7 basis. So I know my parents have always mentioned that a child can be selfish, but a parent cannot be selfish ever. So it's ultimately your responsibility.